Hey everyone and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Klarna with Postmates. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and pay in different installments for different Postmates orders. How do you actually go ahead and connect Klarna with Postmates? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to Postmates. Next, click on the profile icon in the bottom right hand corner. Afterwards, go ahead and click on Wallet, then click on Add Payment Method. Now, towards the bottom, you're going to be able to find Klarna. Click on Klarna, and then it's going to prompt you to log into the Klarna app so that you can log in and connect Klarna with Postmates. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and connect Klarna with Postmates. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.